You go back!
I don't deserve you, now please go away. Not until I say that you're the mom friend. You're the one we call when someone takes a fall, and you're there to ask us if we're okay. Cause you're a true friend. I rely on you and deciding what to do. Then I think it's time I thank you today. Cause I'm the mom friend. I'm the one you call when someone takes a fall, and I'm there to ask you if I wanna use
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it.